Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add a buy now button in WooCommerce. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your WordPress dashboard, and then from the left menu bar, click on the plugins button. After clicking on the plugins button, click on the add new button from the plugin page, and now search for WooCommerce buy button. After searching for it, you have to install the button and then activate it. And now after it is successfully activated, you can go on your website and then check it out. So here is the buy now button on the products. That's how you will add buy now button in WooCommerce. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.